2. This is a great opportunity to understand how inverse trigonometric functions work. First, let's recall what inverse secant means. The inverse secant of x gives us the angle whose secant equals x. However, since secant can equal the same value for multiple angles, we need to restrict the domain. The domain of inverse secant includes all numbers greater than or equal to 1, or less than or equal to -1. In our case, square root of 2 is approximately 1.414, which is greater than 1, so it's in the domain. Let's visualize this on the unit circle. Here's our unit circle, and we'll draw an angle of pi over 4, or 45 degrees. For inverse secant, we restrict our range to angles between 0 and pi over 2, or between pi and 3 pi over 2. This ensures we get a unique answer. Now, let's recall a key fact. The secant of pi over 4 equals the square root of 2. Therefore, the inverse secant of the square root of 2 must equal pi over 4. Let's verify this is correct. First, our answer pi over 4 is in the restricted range between 0 and pi over 2. Second, we know that the secant of pi over 4 is indeed square root of 2. Therefore, pi over 4 is our final answer. To summarize, we checked that square root of 2 was in the domain of inverse secant, used our knowledge of special angles to recall that secant of pi over 4 equals square root of 2, and verified our answer was in the correct range.